Hello, this is Francis. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create the menu in your WordPress site. The menu is this thing over here. You can use it to navigate around your website. You go to your home page here. Using the menu, you can go to About page. And the menu is used for navigating around different pages on your website. And this menu cannot be created before creating different pages. So before you create the menu, you need to create pages. In order to create pages, you go to your dashboard, then go to, you have to locate pages, add new, so you type in the name of the page you want to create, maybe give aways. After that, you can even write some descriptions. It's not necessary in this case, so you click on publish, and the page will be created. So you create all these pages here. You use the same method which you have used here to create different pages of about, blog, tools, ebooks, and whatever you want to be in your menu. So after creating all that, for example, this also I have created also giveaway. Go back to your WordPress, go to appearance, menu. Once you have created all your pages, they should be shown this side. So click on all the pages you want. About, for example, the one which I just created, giveaway, is here. If you want to select all, you select all, but in this case, for this example, I just want to click on giveaway, then say add to menu. See, it has appeared here, so you can move this and position it the way you want. If you want the book to be the first one, for example, you can just position this one and put it ahead of that, which I don't want, so I'm going to put it here. So giveaways, it can also be there. So if I want giveaways to be under books, you can do like this. You see? If you want it to be on the same level, but if you want it to be inside books, you can just do like this and click update. So go back to your site, refresh your site, and go to books. See, giveaway is there. Click on it and giveaway is there. You can, and to edit this page, you can go to edit with Elementor. If you want to edit this page, you can say edit page. Click on edit with Elementor. Then you can use these elements here to edit your page, like adding text. Just put it there. Then you type whatever you want here. If you want to put a button, and so many things can be added. If you want to put a list, gallery, SoundCloud, all can be added like that with Elementor very easily. But basically, that's how you create page. So I want to remove this because I don't need it. I'm going to click this arrow here and press remove. Once you are done with page, the menu structure, this is the primary menu. Once you are done with it, you press save. So that is the main menu, which is the primary menu. This one, depending on your theme, you can also have different menus. One can be also at the footer. If you go back here, you can have the menu if you want. This is the primary menu, depending on the theme. So that's how you create the menu in your WordPress site. If you want to watch the next video, please do so. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification button next to the subscription button so that you receive more videos like this one. Thanks.